Hey there, Wagwan. In this video, I'm sharing with you how I make some delicious Jamaican green plantain porridge, so stay tuned for that recipe and subscribe to my channel for more nutritious recipes and delights. Hey, so to begin this green plantain porridge, the first thing we're gonna do is to boil some cinnamon leaf and the red part, the friendly nutmeg. Put that in some water, put it to boil, and then we're gonna move on to peeling and cutting up our plantain. So after we finish cut up the plant, now we're gonna add it into our blender. We're gonna add oats to it, one ripe banana to add to the sweetness of it. If you ever eat that oats porridge with the banana mix we buy in a supermarket, it tastes similar to that. We'll add some coconut milk and then we're gonna blend this until it is very smooth. Now we are at the blended mixture into our pot of boiling water, and you can see the flavor from the cinnamon leaf has been infused in the water, so that is additional flavoring for our porridge. And I like to use my whisk to just whisk everything through to prevent any sort of lumping. You can tell that at that stage it wasn't as thick, and as it begins to cook, it gradually thickens here. And I'm cooking this porridge for maybe 10 to 15 minutes, right? After that time, we're going to move on to sweetening the porridge. Alright guys, so to sweeten the porridge, we add sugar. Definitely you need to add salt in your porridge. Add in nutmeg, of course, some freshly grated nutmeg, some cinnamon powder, and may I use my whisk to whisk this through as well to prevent that spice from lumping up. And then I turn off the heat, add some vanilla, adding Irish moss here for additional nutrients, and mix this through, and that is it, and your porridge is ready to serve and enjoy. So yeah man, serve this up and enjoy. It's very warm, very filling, wonderfully nutritious. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoy this recipe, and if you do, give me a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to my channel for more recipes and delights. And until next time, eat well, walk good.